afternoon, everyone. Today is Style It My Way. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more, and Tablescapes by Candy. Their guest co-hosts are Jezza Green, Z9 Design, Deborah Cabesta Home Living, Debbie Bubbles, and myself, Design with Emma. And what I have for you today, this is really going to be a very short video because what I've done, I've went in and refreshed my daybed, and I've changed the pillows from the large pillows from the beige to white. So I'll let you all take a look at it and see what I've done here. The larger pillows was beige, and I decided I wanted the bed to be white, and I would leave the cover in the beige like the pergola downstairs with the white pillows and the beige cover. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about the changes I have made here. I've taken off the yellow pillows and just laid them beside the daybed. I've added this black and white throw from Ross's. The white smaller pillows are from Kohl's. The Relax and Rest are from TJ Maxx. The large pillows in the back was from At Home. And the other beige pillows came with it. As I said, it was the larger pillows were beige, and I have switched them to white. The beautiful glasses was a gift. And the black little tray here was from Goodwill. So you all tell me what you think. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a picture in here of the daybed with the beige pillow, and then I'll put the white pillars, the before and the after, so you can let me know which way you like it best. I'm loving the white pillows. I think it makes it much, much brighter, which is what I was trying to do, is to brighten the bed up. So I truly think I have accomplished that. I want to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more, and Amazon and Tablescapes by Candy for inviting me to co-host with them on this Style in My Way. I will leave their information, and all of the ladies who are participating in Style It My Way today. I want to thank the design family, because without you, I could not do this. Again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm going to ask that you go ahead, hit that like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell so you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos. This is Emma, and I'm going to be seeing you all in my next video.